Hey there, and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Saturday Nights by Khalid Kane Brown. Now before we can play this song, we first make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are C major, G major, E minor, and D major. If you know how to play those 4 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the other portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn to play is C major. To play that, just take your third finger and press down on the first string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. The next chord is G major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your second finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. The next chord is E minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, take your second finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 4th fret. This is E minor. And the last chord for this song is D major. To play that, take your second finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 4th finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. This is D major. Now we're going to learn to play the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be C major for 3 beats, G major for 5 beats, E minor for 3 beats, and D major for 5 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by bringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to learn to play the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. Let's play that string pattern on the C major chord. Down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. And now let's play that string pattern with the chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Saturday Nights. Saturday nights, blueberry cigarillos, swishers make my throat hurt, rolling OCBs on the side for me, light 'em up and let 'em both burn. Family feud, say your mom's confused, awful things she doesn't want to learn, but daddy's gone, says he's never home, and wishing only makes it worse. I guess there's certain dreams that you gotta keep, 'cause they'll only know what you let them see. All the things that I know that your parents don't, they don't care like I do, nowhere like I do. And all the things that I know that your parents don't, they don't care like I do, nowhere like I do, nowhere like I do. Now if you want to play through the rest of that song, then check out my play along video for Saturday Nights. And that's how you play Saturday Nights by Khalid Kane Brown. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Special thanks to my friends at Sunstar Music for allowing me to showcase their ukulele in this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check out their products. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.